Hello everyone, welcome back to Craft Kitchen. Today we are making super easy and delicious mini chocolava cakes using hide and seek biscuits without an oven. First take one packet of hide and seek biscuits and add them to a mixer jar. Grind them into a fine powder. Now add a little baking soda and around 1 cup of milk. Mix it well and make a smooth pourable batter just like the consistency shown in the video. Next, take a upper pan and grease each section with a little oil or butter. Pour some batter into every cavity, filling in halfway. Then add one small piece of chocolate in the center. Cover it with more batter so that the chocolate stays inside. Cover the pan with a lid and cook on low flame for around 5 minutes until the mini cakes become soft and fluffy. After that, gently flip them and cook the other side for about 2 minutes. And your yummy mini chocolava cakes are ready. If you enjoyed this easy recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Craft Kitchen for more tasty recipes. See you in the next video. Bye.